Okay, so here we are on section 2.6, which is ratios, rates, and conversions. And a rate is a special type of proportion where you're comparing two different units of measurement. What I mean by that is that instead of saying like you ate six, I don't know, cookies out of 12 cookies, that's a proportion. But a rate is when you're comparing two different types of things. So instead of cookies, you might be comparing miles per hour or cookies per minute. So these are all rates. So in this one, they have 45 miles per hour. You know, that's like something you're very familiar with driving in a car. So let's look at some questions here. We have Chandler bicycles 20 miles per hour. And if we turn this into a rate, it would be 20 miles. MI is the abbreviation for miles per hour. So you say 20 miles per hour. And number 5, we have Ann makes 80 bagels in 3 days. So this rate is 80 bagels for every 3 days. So 80 bagels per 3 days. Let's look at number 6. It says, so far you have read 35 pages out of a 50-page assignment. Explain why the ratio of 35 pages out of 50 is not a ratio. So you have 35 pages per 50 pages. And again, this is not a ratio or a rate. Rate, because we're comparing the same units, pages and pages. Now, if we said pages per minute, this would be a rate, and which is a special type of proportion. So hopefully that makes sense. Let's go on to some examples and try this concept out.